So your character poses look off balance and you don't know why. You forgot to consider the one thing that all beginners leave out: gravity. This is something you want to consider in the underdrawing, the rough sketch you make before getting to a finished piece. Wait, don't run away. It's easy, and it's a secret that makes your character poses look 1000% better. Here's what you're missing: balance. When we talk about drawing balanced poses, we mean drawing the body in a steady position so it doesn't look like it's falling. The body's weight must be properly distributed and supported, like with a weighing scale. Otherwise, the body will fall. And this is a result of gravity. Gravity is the main force we deal with. Everything on this planet is affected by it, including the human body. It must stay balanced as it moves around and performs different actions. So, when you draw a character pose, start by thinking about how gravity affects the body. One important factor to consider is the body's center of gravity. The center of gravity is the point at which the entire weight of an object may be considered as concentrated. As a general guideline, a male center of gravity is in the upper torso, while a female's is in the pelvis. When it comes to balance, an object will fall over if its center of gravity passes outside its base. Let's look at how this applies to drawing balanced character poses. If you're enjoying the content of this video, please leave a like, share it with your artist friends, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any exciting updates. We start by drawing the body's main mass, the torso. In this case, it's a male torso, so the center of gravity is in the upper part. Without any supports, the force of gravity will cause this mass to fall. How do we avoid this? We must position the legs in a way that supports the center of gravity. Let's draw them as sticks to keep it simple. If I draw them in this position, the figure will fall. Why? Because the center of gravity is outside the base, which in this case is created by the feet. To solve this, let's reposition the legs so the center of gravity is inside the base. We can draw the arms, neck and heads in whatever position we want without really affecting the character's balance. As you can see, it's all about problem-solving poses based on gravity. So, the next time you draw a character pose, solve its balance in the underdrawing. Start with a simple stick figure, like I did here. Once you can do it with a stick figure, you can add force, form, shape, anatomy, and clothing on top. The underlying idea for balance remains the same. These were just a few examples, of course. In order to understand how the body stays balanced across different actions and with additional weights, you must study from reference. All the answers you need are found in real life. Then you can apply this understanding to your characters and make them more real. For more in-depth education, please visit drawingforce.com. There you can sign up for mentorships, memberships, courses, and so much more. See you there.